impression is the coach has been maintained really well, and they have documentation to back that up.
I did see one for 19, and then another one for May of this year, 20. Okay. So, all the air conditioners blew really cold, generator started right up, all the TVs worked, ran the washer and dryer, those are good.
A nice layout, with the bathroom, with the dual sinks, nice big refrigerator, it's clean, nice kitchen, plenty of storage. Yeah, engine started right up. I mean, it's so clean. It looks brand new, like underneath the coach. There's no rust, there's no damage. It's one of the nicest coaches I've expected. With the receipts that it's been maintained at Tiffin, that really would give me some confidence to say, okay, I got a coach that's been taken care of. When I was there, they had covers over the wheels, they got covers over the side view mirrors, covers over the windshield wipers. So that just tells me that this is somebody who's taking care of their coach, and it takes pride in of ownership.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin. Yes, we appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Checked out.
Checked out.
Checked out.
Checked out.
I gotta turn this thing off, man. It's killing me.
I don't care. He heard us talking.
Checked out.
Checked out.
You might be doing RV living.
RV living.
RV living. The bank said yes. Kevin says yes. So now we got to get to Arizona. It's just a 2,100 mile shakedown trip.
Yeah, 2,136
Just a
miles.
2,100 mile shakedown trip.
I'd like to congratulate you on your purchase of your 2018 37 PA Tiffin Allegro Red.